Okay, we're gonna learn how to add on a number line without any regrouping. Let's focus that up so that it looks nice. Awesome. So first I'm gonna give us some numbers. Let's do 386 and we're gonna add on 513. So with addition, I can choose either number to put on my number line. But one thing I want for the kiddos, because it will help them, is let's put our first number on, just so that we're kind of getting in the routine of my first number I put on my number line in some place. So our first number is 386. I'm going to be adding this number. So one thing I can do for me is I can draw it out in my base 10 blocks. This can be helpful because if I choose to do it in any pieces and I choose to add, say, 2 ones or something like that, I can cross it out as I go so that I can keep track of what I have. So we have 500, 110, and 3 ones. So on this number, I'm gonna choose my largest jump first, because if I keep the 86 the same, it's going to be the easiest for me to keep in my brain. So we're going to first, I'm gonna show you with some small jumps where we can add 100, cross it out, and then we would just write 486 below it. So every time we add, we're just holding our place with a hop. So now let's try a bigger jump. So let's add 300. So we can cross out 3 more. This isn't the fastest way to do it. This is just a way to get your learner comfortable, because counting up by 1 or by 100 even is the most friendly way to do it. I can show you a second way how to do it the fastest way, under. So we have 400, adding 300, that's going to be 700. We're keeping our 10s and our 1s the same, 786. I have 100 left, so I'm going to jump that 100. Your jump sizes do not matter. They can be big, they can be small. As long as we have the number on top and the number on bottom, it is entirely up to your learner. So 886 is going to be where we stop there. We have 110, so let's add it. So we have 10 more, so that's 896, and we have 3, 899. Just to do it fast to show you that we can do bigger jumps and that it doesn't have to be first, you circle the final thing because that's your answer, and then I can go back and I can see all of my pieces. So 100 plus 300 is 400 plus 100 is 500, 510, 513. I can see the number in my top jumps and I can see my answer at the end. How to do a number line faster? We're gonna set up the same exact problem, 386. If I want to add my hundreds first, I could add 500. So 300 plus 500 is going to be 800. 886 plus 10, 896 plus 3, 899. The size of your jumps don't matter. It's all about having a strategy where you're taking bites. Just like I wouldn't eat a taco in one bite, I'm not going to try and tackle a problem in one step. And this is how you add without regrouping on a number line.